Hello and welcome back to the YouTube channel of Modern Shrines, the English monthly magazine. I am Vanshika Vashish. Welcome to my new show OMG.
Today our gossip is about students and teachers' reaction during online classes in lockdown. Teachers on work from home, double work, parents as add-on students. The lockdown gives teachers a 13-hour workday of stress, poor connectivity, call drops and lecturing a bored, disobedient class that will anyway need to be retaught. Until the schools reopen, teachers would like to assign only home-based activities to the class. They are also okay with the idea of early summer vacations with late reopening, but teaching to a screen is torture. A private school teacher said on the condition of anonymity, "Teaching in the classroom is easy. We need only to prepare the lecture. The e-school requires us to video record, upload and share it as well. Give so much time to an inactive class. Since children are in the casual environment of their home, they come on screen eating and lying. There is no guarantee that they have understood the chapter. Their parents who sit along have more questions. When they fire too many queries at once, the teacher is forced to mute all the microphones. Some parents throw tantrums to run the class their way and at their convenience. Some want fewer lectures while other wants more. They keep pinging teacher's mobile phone from morning to evening. After being online for more than 13 hours, she has chores to do and own complaining parents or in-laws to look after. There isn't even the helping hand of maids these days. It would help if they had a shorter syllabus of important parts and music, dance and fitness kept for later. Poor internet is killing them. The attitude of senior students angered another teacher. She said, "When I called them to e-school, they said they were logged into a private coaching class. Some sat so relaxed as if school was a formality. We teachers put in 3 times more effort but have no job satisfaction at the end of it." Now, as a coin has two faces, so now it's time to see the student side. Now see some of the students' reactions to the newly implemented online classes system by the Modi government due to COVID-19 lockdown. To maintain the flow of education amid COVID-19 lockdown, the Modi government has instructed all schools to conduct online classes. During these sessions, the teachers are connecting with the students remotely and giving lectures and providing study material by using technological aids like Microsoft Teams, Zoom app, YouTube tutorials and WhatsApp broadcast. The online classes had started in the first week of April 2020. These virtual classes are being held structurally by following a proper timetable which is presided by the school administration. There are many hurdles faced by students too. When we were talking to the students, most of them mentioned that internet connectivity is a bit of a problem. Also, many students said that the classes are good, but sometimes they don't get enough time to ask their doubts. They are getting double homework in the time of lockdown. Many of the Delhi University students are also suffering from the same thing. They have to make many assignments in a day for their internal assessment. We all know that virtual classes are hugely dependent on internet and infrastructure, and it is a problem that most of the students are facing. So it is clear that the virtual classes initiative is very useful, but only to the limited number of students. There is a large population of students that do not have access to the internet of computers and laptops. Now the question arises, what about the students who cannot afford laptops and Android mobiles? That's for the today video.
For more such gossips, please subscribe to our channel Modern Shrines, the English monthly magazine. Do not forget to like, comment, share our videos. Thank you.